In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add VPN on your Google Chrome browser. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Then at the top right corner, click on three dot icon. Now here as you see extension option, just hover over it. Now click on visit Chrome Web Store. At the top search bar, search for VPN. Here as you see lots of VPN. I will install the first one. If you have any personal choice, then you can install it. Just click on it. Now to add this VPN on your Chrome browser, just click on add to Chrome. You will get this pop-up. Click on add extension. Here as you see extension added. To pin this extension on Google Chrome browser, just click on extension icon. Now click on pin icon. Now to use this VPN, just click on it. Click on continue. Start. Now you can use this VPN on your Google Chrome browser. In this way, you can add VPN on your Google Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.